my YouTube family. You're here with Skipper Drones, and today I'm bringing you a quick mail call. We got a few more things in. We got so many frames to build. I got to get on it, you guys. How you doing today? And we're gonna start off with the foxeer. This is the Foxeer Monster Mini Pro 16x9. We got that camera in, you guys. This is gonna be a nice camera here. It's got a pretty wide lens too, you guys. But yeah, we got that. We also have the caddx camera. This is going to be a nice camera here also. So this is going to be going on one of the builds. Alright, so I have here, let me see. DHL delivered. This is a new frame here, you guys. I have been doing, well, actually, that's going to be my next build coming up, the flywoo series. This is exciting looking frame here that they have going on. It is called the Croc. This is a new frame. This came out by Flywoo. They make some pretty premium stuff. Frames, motors. This here. You guys, this is going to be a very nice build here. This is going to be exciting. This is the gold edition, you guys. I also got some stickers here. Kevlar battery straps. But yes, look you guys, this is going to be a nice build here. This is the Croc. We're going to do a review on the frame later. It's just a mail card here, gold plated. I don't know if you can see it, but yes, gold plated. This is going to be, they also included a nice 3M battery pad, stickers, Kevlar battery strap. Like I say, we ain't gonna get into detail about this right now, but they also show you the quad exploded. But we're gonna do a review on this frame coming up here. Yes, this is gonna be a nice. It looks like they got 4 different shapes. No props in the view. The dead cat. They got the True X, the Stretch X, and the Hybrid. It says no need to remove any parts to switch flight modes. 4 switching shapes. So I guess you can use the same frame, you guys, and the legs. So I'm gonna have to get into this here. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be nice, you guys. Actually, this might be my. Okay, they got some prop guards. I mean motor guards. All black. Yes, this is gonna be an exciting build. This is also by Flywoo. This is going on the build also, you guys. Here. Sit back here for a minute. Alright, we have here more stickers. We have white pads. This here, you guys, we got the gold plated prop nuts. These are the 2207 2750 kV, and these are going on the croc build. It's gonna be super nice. Super nice, you guys. I am digging it. So yeah, I'm gonna sit this here for a minute. So you also get the motor screws and the gold prop nut is included. It's gonna be nice. We also have another package here by Flywoo. Like I say, you guys, they make some very, very nice premium parts. I have done a couple builds. And I love the motors. I do. They are powerful, smooth, and strong. We also have here, this is new by Flywoo. See if I can get it open here. Some more tape. Get the tape off, you guys. Alright. Check this out, you guys. We got more stickers. This is the new ESC by Flywoo. The gold edition. This is a 4-in-1 ESC. We're going to be doing a review on this. Look pretty well built, heavy duty. But yes, nice. Look at that, you guys. With the gold motors. Oh man, this is about to be awesome. This is about to be a nice build. You get some instructions here. So that is nice. Some specs. It's 30 by 30 mountain hose. 2 to 6S. It says peak current 60 amp. This is a 50 amp BL Holly 32 2 to 6S 4-in-1 brushless ESC. This is the gold version. They also have it in the titanium version, which I got that also. And that's going to be going in the build too. And we also have the specs here for the ESC. I mean flight control, I'm sorry, you guys. This has 6 UARTs. And this is the ESC, you guys, by Flywoo. It's very nicely built, I can tell you. I can't wait to put this in the croc. So this is going into the croc, you guys. Can't wait to see it. It has the ribbon cable here, gyro. So yes, this is going to be a very awesome build. Very, very awesome. So you get the connecting cables for the ESC and the flight controller. They got your extra 3M pad for the gyro, and you got some extra ribbon strips here. They included, so that is nice. But yes, this is going to be a nice build, you guys. Like I said, this is just a quick mail call. We will be doing a review on the frame, and we will be doing a review on the ESCs and flight controller, because they are also they new, and the frame is new. This is the Croc frame by Flywoo, and they say that ESCs is 50 amp, BA Holly 32 2 to 6S 4-in-1 brushless. So that's gonna be something nice. Both is 30 by 5 by 30 by 5 millimeter M3 mountain holes. Support telemetry, current meter. Support one shot, multi-shot, D-shot, all the way up to D-shot 1200. So that is nice. Alright, you guys, this is the end of this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. I hope you enjoyed this video that I shared with you guys. And please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me, because it helps my channel out a lot. And if you haven't hit the subscription button, please hit that for me. That helps my channel out also. And you guys, it's Skipper Drones, and I'm out, and I will catch you on the next one.